welcome to my solo online exhibition. I'm Devika Satish from Chennai, the founder of Shanovium Institution since 2010. I'm a graduate from Bharatiyar University in Design Academy. I had participated in many international and national art shows. Every time I work just what my mind commands, like a South Indian rural subject, or it will have a twist with realism. I'm built with mixed media on canvas using the rich tones or sometimes monochromatic, which gives my paintings a strong physical presence in texture. It infuses my composition with captivating gravity through the clever use of colors, subject, light, and shades. I encourage you to explore my latest collection in the name of dreamism. Let's go to the video.
Woman Fishlet. The painting depicts how her wishlets are disappearing day by day as she has to serve her family. A girl grows with lots of dreams and wishes which she wants to fulfill in her life. But when she becomes a woman and starts a family, her dreams and desire will fade one by one. The candle and time depicts her lifetime which is melting away. Dream Catcher. The painting represents a country woman who loves animals. The animals depict the importance of them in her life. Her normal morning would be like this: birds dangling in earrings and four-legged animals lynching in her, and the pets adorned her with some flowers for her kind heart. Our unique relationship with our pets can influence physical, social, emotional, psychological, and mental well being for us and for them. Pure spiritual. The dove represents peace of the deepest kind. It soothes and quiets our worried or troubled thoughts, enabling us to find renewal in the silence of the mind. A mind immersed in older thoughts from traditions wants to find inner peace by trying to grow away from its roots of superstition so as to be a part of the present. Rest of women thoughts. A tree is indeed a speaking representation of a woman embracing her growth, her womanhood and unshamed of her mind, body and soul. The clock represents a woman throughout her life. She undergoes lot of struggles and hardship. Still once in a while some victories happen which are represented as white butterflies. Though she has many phases in her life, she is still connected to the group where she belongs. Erasing an angel. Sacrifice is one of the meanings of woman which is not found in the dictionary. The fire in the womb carries the soul into the world by giving the brightness through the wings of women, which enlighten the path of every living being. Isan Putra. The title means Shiva's son, who is Ganesha, depicted as elephant head. Our culture and land always celebrate the ancient ones, which give us lot of meaning and values to life. The painting has elephants, which means wisdom, divine knowledge and royalness. The branches are admired from a banyan tree, which depicts the divine creator and symbolizes longevity. Finally, the background has some letters from language Tamil, which is one of the ancient language. Chakori. Chakori in Hindu mythology represent Lord Shiva's wife Shakti. Shakti means power, which is a dynamic energy that is responsible for creation, maintenance, and destruction of the universe. It is identified as female energy because Shakti is responsible for creation, as mothers are responsible for birth. Without Shakti, nothing in this universe would happen. She stimulates Shiva, which is passive energy in the form of consciousness to create. All of this depicted in the painting clock represent that a woman does this all her life. She has control over it. Beauty breeze. A girl trapped evermore in time. The clock ticking leisurely is waiting for a chance where he can finally break out of the cursed loop and rather the sunflowers that she always found herself staring at. In her slender hands, her beast eyes capturing every single moment she witnessed as her blazing red hair dances in the breeze. Brahmi. Brahmi is Brahma's wife. She is the mother of speech and mother of supernatural powers. Usually, Brahmi is depicted as goddess Saraswati, but this painting as a normal woman because a normal woman is less than Brahmi. She teaches her child to speak, walk, behave, and with her superpower, she makes a family and raises each and everyone in the family along with her.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed. First, I would like to thank Kalai Valarmani, Mr. R. Rajendran, the founder of a Design Academy, for his valuable suggestion and motivation me. Then, I would like to thank Mr. C. Mulerajan for his guidance through the project. I would also like to thank the World Art and Artist YouTube channel for this given golden opportunity to showcase my paintings. Finally, I would like to thank all the viewers who spend their time watching my paintings. Thank you so much. Thank you.